Okay, this one's super easy. It's number 9. So that would be measure 32 in your music. It's all open E. It's just the whole hook bowing thing. So it's down, up, down. Make a circle. Down, up, down. Circle. You do these well. Down, up, down. And down, up, down. Circle, down, up, down. Can you see my bow? I stand on something. Make it really little. Like down, up, down. Can you see it? Down, up, down. Right. Down, up, down. You crawl around your bow. I'll try it again. Ready. Down, up, down. Almost went off the edge. Right. Ta-da. Ready. Ta-da. Again. Right. You're kind of boring open E. Are you getting bored? I'll tell you where it comes from. It comes from this. I want you to know, Owen, I'm helping you. I promise. I am helping you with the most important bowings. Okay? In fact, after this, we will do the number 1 most important bowing. They're going to be all 3 judges, they're going to go with their eyes and they're going to look and see if you do it right. And if you do it right, okay, let's do a couple more E's. So down, E, C, down. Down, E, C, down. Down, E, C, down. Down, E, C, down. This bowing is important. Down, E, C, down. 3 more. Down, E, C, down. That was 1. See my nice wrists? Oh, I have to charge up my Fitbit. I'll be right back.